Earthquake survival myths debunked. Essential do's and don'ts. When it comes to earthquake survival, there's a lot of information out there, not all of it accurate. Let's debunk some common myths and set the record straight with essential do's and don'ts. Dose. 1. Do drop, cover, and hold on. This is the safest response during an earthquake. 2. Do prepare an emergency kit. It should include essentials like water, a long-term food supply, survival tabs, a first aid kit, and a flashlight. 3. Do secure heavy furniture. Prevent injuries from falling objects by securing your furniture. 4. Do stay indoors. If you're inside when the earthquake starts, stay there until the shaking stops. Don'ts. 1. Don't stand in a doorway. This is an outdated practice. In modern homes, doorways aren't stronger than other parts of the structure. 2. Don't run outside. This could expose you to falling debris. 3. Don't use elevators. They could malfunction during an earthquake. 4. Don't believe the triangle of life myth. This controversial method isn't recommended by most safety organizations. Understanding the right actions to take can make a significant difference in your safety during an earthquake. Stay informed, stay prepared, and rely on verified information to guide your actions.